Welcome to Steady iPass International. Today's tutorial will focus on introducing you to your topic, and the objective behind this tutorial is to set the foundation you need to write an excellent research and analysis project on. Therefore, join me as I explain the key areas of your topic. My name is Isaac Jima. You can connect with me on LinkedIn by sending connection request with the web link on your screen. Also, you can send me an email by obuacc@steadyipass.com or join the topic forum on our website www.steadyipass.com. In terms of qualifications, I'm a chartered certified accountant, post MBA from University of East London, have the BSc in applied accounting. And in terms of work, I've worked with ACCA as education manager. And one of my responsibilities was to train the trainers of teaching providers on how to teach the ACCA papers. And I really learned a lot during that time. I've also worked with London School of Business and Finance under the mentorship of a great mentor and a friend, Aaron, the founder of LSBF, and currently managing my own 3 successful businesses. So that is all about me. Today we will discuss Topic 6 title, Topic 6 key drivers, how to choose an organization for Topic 6, how to pass Topic 6, yes, how to fail Topic 6 as well, and then the to-do list you need to draw in order for you to write an excellent research and analysis project under Topic 6. Let us look at Topic 6 title. A critical review of key factors or indicators in the motivation of employees in an organization. The words I've written in red are the key drivers of Topic 6. If you understand the requirement of each driver, you'll be on a path of graduating with the BSc in Applied Accounting, because the drivers actually determines the outcome of the research and analysis project work you'll be doing with Topic 6. Let us discuss the drivers. The first driver is review. The mistake many mentees do is that instead of thoroughly assessing, they do descriptive analysis of the motivational theories. But review is about conducting a thorough assessment on the factors influencing employees' motivation, not descriptive analysis, which focuses on the current status of the motivational theories. But to thoroughly assess, you have to go 3 steps further. The first one is ascertaining the fundamentals driving employees' motivation on each motivational factor, explaining management action on each motivational factor, and interpreting each motivational factor through the lens of a motivational theory or theories. By following these 4 steps, you'll be conducting a thorough assessment, which is one step towards becoming a BSc graduate. The second driver is focused on factors or indicators, and it looks at identifying the motivational factors that exist or don't exist at organization. And remember, this is your primary purpose. The next one looks at motivation, and it's all about knowing whether the employees are motivated or not. And by doing this, you'll be achieving your primary aim. The next one is employees. Remember, the employees are the central focus of the project. Therefore, get them on your side immediately you gain access to them, which means make them feel comfortable to work with you. And by being comfortable to work with you, they will be truthful. But if they are not, there might be falsehood in their responses. Choosing an organization that is willing and ready to give you access to their employees. And I will explain to you how you can do that. I want to share this experience with you. I had a mentee who was writing the rap on Topic 6, and he chose a bank as the organization. I advised him to meet with the HR manager, but he told me that there's a family friend who's willing and ready to collect his questionnaire and distribute it to the employees for him. Therefore, there's no need for him to even go to the office. Immediately, I knew that was a red flag because many employees have signed confidentiality agreement and will not be willing to provide information about their job without management approval. So, I advise the mentee to at least seek the help of the family friend to connect him to the HR manager so that he can go through the right channel. But you was adamant that you wanted to use a family friend approach. Remember, as a mentor, I can only advise, not enforce. So weeks of repeatedly following up, he later told me the family friend has failed him. And to be honest, I was not surprised at all. But he has wasted 1 month, okay, 1 month, which is like a year in us for Brookes, which means he has little time to conduct a thorough assessment. And don't make the same mistake. That's the story, the lesson behind the story. Don't make the same mistake. It is therefore important to choose an organization by going through the right channel. And you can do this by following the steps I'm about to share. Step 1, identify the organization. That is, identify the organization and the key decision makers of the organization. Step 2, speak to a decision maker. This can be HR manager or a decision maker whose role impact on the motivation of employees. Seek their approval. You can go to the ACCA office in your country, seek a supporting letter from them, and with the ACCA brand name backing you, you can get quick approval than going on your own. Engage with the employees by making sure that the employees feel very comfortable working with you. And remember, this is a very important step. That's why I've repeated it for the second time. Now we know how to choose an organization for topic 6. Let's look at why students fail topic 6. And remember, nobody writes the rap to fail, but key areas can fail you if you don't approach them with care. The first reason is poor organizational choice. Let me share this story, okay? I had a mentee who, after collecting the responses, he decided to engage with 2 employees of the organization. And during the engagement, he realized that while the employees are indicating 100% motivation on key questions on the questionnaire, they were rather not motivated due to management refusal to increase their basic wage and meet certain key working conditions agreement they have signed with them. When he asked why they didn't choose the right option that represent what they are telling him, they said, we don't trust you. We don't trust you because we are scared that you tell the HR manager. And the reason why we are telling you this now is you look like somebody who is trustworthy, and it's very funny, but remember, nobody cares about you until they know you care about them, okay? That's why I say make it comfortable for the employees to work with you. It's very important. The number 2 reason is they violate topic 6 key driver, and the key driver here is a review. Instead of thorough assessment, they do descriptive analysis of the responses. Remember, this is on a marking scheme. This occupies a very important component. Therefore, you need to make sure that you are conducting a thorough assessment and not descriptive analysis. In the research report tutorial for topic 6, I've explained with examples how to conduct a thorough assessment. The next reason why students fail topic 6 is insufficient knowledge, poor understanding, and lack of practical skills of accounting techniques and business model. Many students fail this topic because they do not identify the right accounting techniques and business models. And even if they do, they don't read wide about accounting techniques and business models. The reason is that many students rely on the Kaplan and BPP materials, which does not offer opportunity to gain the views of different authors. Let me be honest with you. I have nothing against Kaplan and BPP. I used it during my examination writing. But you need to understand that the books were written for ACCA examination, okay, and not for academic work. But as for Brookes ACCA degree program, it's an academic work program, and you need different books to gain sufficient knowledge, deeper understanding, and practical skills. You should do wider reading because the accounting techniques and business models occupies 2 positions on the marking scheme. The first one is understanding of the accounting techniques and business models, and this requires a wider reading to pass. The second one is application of the accounting techniques and business models. And in order for you to do this, you need to have practical skills on how to apply the accounting techniques and business models. And for you to do that, you need to read different authors' perspective on accounting techniques and business models. Therefore, read more than one book on accounting techniques and business models of your topic. And for topic number 6, the accounting techniques and business model are motivational theories. Okay, therefore, don't rely on Kaplan and BPP to gain in-depth knowledge, deep understanding, and practical skills of accounting of motivational theories, but rather read from other authors. Set a day aside and go to the library or go online to read about motivational theories, and it will help you to pass the 2 components on the marking scheme. In the research report on topic 6, I've explained how to present your understanding of the accounting techniques and business models and the best approach to applying them. The next reason is poor questionnaire structure. And the reason why it is so is because there is no science behind the question set. The question does not reveal the key motivational issues because the student did not use an appropriate approach to preparing the questionnaire. And in the appendices tutorial of topic 6, I have explained the science to structuring your questions and preparing your questionnaire. The next reason is lack of management input and employees' comment. Many students fail this because they do not interview management to gain their input on how they are motivating employees, and also they do not gain employees' commentary on the questions they've said. When you distribute your questionnaire to the employees, you need to set interview questions to interview management on the motivational factors or indicators questions you've set in the questionnaire. And the next thing you should do is to gain employees' commentary on the questions you said. For instance, the questions you have said might offer the option of yes or no, or very satisfied, satisfied, very unsatisfied, and unsatisfied. And the employees have to select one, right? But it does not tell you much. So you need to gain a commentary on their selection. And you can do this by asking for commentary on the questions in a questionnaire, or engage with 2 or 3 employees to hear the opinion on each of the questions, and by so doing, gain the commentary you want. These 2 approaches will help you to conduct the thorough assessment you need to do. In the research report component part 3 tutorial of topic 6, I've shown you how to use the management input and employees commentary to conduct a thorough assessment. So I hope you listen to it. The next reason is poor referencing skills. And let me be honest, this is true because referencing is never part of ACCA examination. However, you need to learn them, okay? And in topic 6, referencing tutorial, I've shown you how to do it. The next reason is poor technical skills. And the poor technical skills is a problem for many students. The technical skills occupies a key component of the marking scheme. So make sure that you have the information technology know-how. For instance, work on your Excel sheet basic skills to the extent you can write a formula and draw chart in the Excel sheet. And the technical skills component becomes relevant in the appendices. And another appendices tutorial, I've shown you how to show your technical skills. Finally, we know why students fail topic 6, right? So let us look at how to pass topic number 6. The number 1 way of passing topic number 6 is do opposite of all the reasons given under why students fail topic 6, okay? Which means you should choose the right organization, conduct a thorough assessment, gain in-depth knowledge and deeper understanding and practical skills of accounting techniques and business models, have science behind your questionnaire structure, gain management input and employees commentary for thorough assessment, reference your work, and apply technical skills. Now let us look at the key component of to-do list for the RAP. And the first one is activities you carry out during a mentoring. Identify who is responsible for which activity, or for each activity. What resources do you need to carry out? The hours you need to work on the RAP. Remember, this is very important because many students are not able to submit their work on time and not able to conduct thorough assessment because of poor time management. And number 5, decide the starting date and submission date. The next thing we have to look at it are the activities, and the key activities under the to-do list you should include will be choosing an organization. Remember the steps in choosing the organizations, follow it. The work you need to do on all the components of the RAP. Remember to listen to the research and analysis project overview tutorial on topic 6. Meetings with your mentor and the presentation you give to your mentor. Remember to listen to the topic 6 presentation tutorial I have done. The next one is agree with your mentor. The date for your meetings, the hours that you'll be spent during each meeting. Is the meeting going to be by Skype or face-to-face? The channel of communication between you two, is it emails, phone calls, Skype, or all the three? When are you supposed to send your document to your mentor? When he or she is supposed to send the review document to you? Agreeing on all this will set a template that would direct the relationship between you and your mentor. In conclusion, we've discussed your topic title, the key drivers of your topic, why students fail, why students pass, how to choose an organization, and how to draw a to-do list. I want to encourage you to listen to all the topic 6 tutorials. The tutorials cover the research report, skills and learning statement, reference, presentation, appendices, and restimation statement. And if you're restimating, so I want to encourage you to listen to them because it shows you how to pass all of them and the different techniques you should use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it has provided you with in-depth knowledge and understanding on how to write an excellent research and analysis project. I encourage you to connect with me via LinkedIn by using the link on the screen. Send me an email by obuacc@steadyipowers.com or visit our website www.steadyipowers.com. Now, I want to you to know this. You can pass the research and analysis project. Let me be honest, it's one of the most easiest activities you can ever do on it. Never for a second doubt your ability to pass. I have realized from years of mentoring that students who fail because they assume they cannot pass even before they start writing a project. It sounds funny, but it's true. Some will start doubting themselves when they encounter any problem along the way. And remember this: you are capable of doing this because you are an ACCA. Just think about it for a minute. You are an ACCA. For a minute, close your eyes and think. You pass F1 to F9. Why can't you pass the research and analysis project? Do you know the most resilient professionals I've ever met? ACCA student. I tell you, I've seen students who fail their papers but still believe that they can still pass the next time they register, learn, go out there, boom, they come out with great results. Therefore, be encouraged. Never write yourself off, okay? And I always say, write off your fear as a bad debt. As a bad debt to yourself. And whether you are my mentee or not, I'm your number one cheerleader. So whenever you feel like giving up, remember, you are giving up on me, your parent, the people who believe in your abilities. And I wish you all the best. And let's connect. LinkedIn, email, website, and I'll be happy to be your friend. Thank you so much. My name is Isaac Jima. I'm senior teacher at Steady Eye Pass International. I appreciate the time you have used to listening to me, and I wish you all the best.